Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you about how to be a powerful user. How to be a powerful Samsung user. Okay. How to become a power user, you can go to tips and then you go to become a power user. You can see on the screen right here. I mean that you can use DeX wirelessly. Use Samsung DeX on a TV without a cable. Start DeX from a quick panel and choose an available TV. So this is a powerful that you can connect your smartphone screen to a TV without a cable. You just use the same to connect to the same wireless, and you can check TV available. At least smart TV, at least a smart TV. You cannot connect to the old version TV. So I hope you understand here, and then you can use your 3 finger for DeX. Mean that you slide up, slide down, you show the application, open it, and you can check it. Right here you can use your 3 finger, your 3 finger gesture on the screen, on the big screen. Swipe up with 3 finger to show recent application. Swipe down with 3 fingers to go back. Do it again to show the home screen. So as you can see on this picture, you can see it. And here is the CB, and the CB you show you right here. It's time to bed, time to. It is scheduled. It's smart. It's AI recommendation. For this video, I have only this feature to show you, and next video we will make new setting about Samsung Galaxy. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm sorry for my English is not properly, and sometimes I try my best to speak because I am not a mother tongue English. Thank you.